The BYD company is rapidly increasing the production of cars. The nearest goal is to produce up to 300,000 environmentally friendly cars, electric cars and plug-in hybrids, every month, the Insideevs portal reports. All prerequisites for achieving such an ambitious goal are in place. In June, the brand sold 134,000 cars domestically and exported them. This is more than triple the result of a year ago and 20,000 units more than in May. BYD has orders for 700,000 cars, so there is no risk of a lack of demand if the company increases production in the near future. There are also production sites. Today, BYD has 6 large factories in different regions of China. 3 more productions are under construction, and 2 of them are expected to be launched by the end of this year. Since the whole of 2021, the company has sold 600,000 cars. The manufacturer wants to reach the figure of 300,000 cars per month already in August.